Today we are making marinara mix. Hello everyone and welcome back to QMV Australia. Today we're going to be making a marinara mix. It's an Italian recipe with Italian risotto and some fresh seafoods, squeezed with some lemon and some parsley on top. Let's get started. Let's look at today's ingredients. To start, we need onions, marinara mix, stock, salt, rice, and lastly olive oil. So let's get started. Alright, grab a bowl and make sure to wash your hands. And next you're going to be putting your marinara mix. Wash that all up and grab your salt and pepper. Sprinkle all on top. And then you're going to grind it up. And that's basically it for the marinade. Very simple today. Put that to the side, set aside for 20 to 30 minutes. And you're going to grab your onion, cut it up, peel it off. And make sure to wash it also. And you're going to put that all to one side. Next we're going to put it into a bowl with some oil, olive oil. Grind some pepper again and some salt. And put some oil too. Let that simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until translucent. We're going to cover that up halfway full. Alright, grab your rice and you're going to open it up and put it into a small cup. You're going to put it into a bowl and then have 3 cups of water. 3 full cups, 250 milligrams each. And you're going to leave that aside to simmer. Then you're going to put your onion, stir it up all nicely. Soon it's going to be ready and you're going to be putting your rice in right about now. Put your rice in and grab a stock, 1.5 servings of stock, and you're just going to sprinkle that all around. Looking good. Now that's basically done with the rice, and soon we're going to be putting our marinara mix. Make sure to stir it up, and this will simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until creamy soft. Then grab some water, 5 to 10 minutes, stir it up, and you're going to put your marinara mix. Stir it all up, and we're almost done with the recipe. The marinara mix will take about 5 to 10 minutes to cook, and put some more water and you're basically done. And serve it on a nice plate with some parsley on top or whatever you like. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time.